This thing pulled all the dirt, limescale, and mold from the reservoir in my washing machine, 15 minutes, and it's like new. Hello folks, in today's video, we'll show you the best tricks on how to clean your washing machine so that it will serve you like new for a long time. Diagnosing and cleaning your washing machine from limescale and dirt may not be a cheap matter at all. Therefore, if you decide to clean it yourself, you can save money. However, to avoid damaging your washing machine, it's necessary to know simple tricks that will keep the machine perfectly clean, like new. Let me know in the comments below how you clean your washing machine, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get into it. Procedure for cleaning the washing machine drum. Every washing machine needs the right care to serve you well. Over time, limescale deposits and residues of laundry detergent accumulate inside. This buildup can ruin your washing machine, and at the same time, it reduces the quality of washing. Dirt clogs the drain, doesn't allow enough laundry detergent to pass through, and an unpleasant smell may spread from the machine. Make this homemade cleaning agent for the washing machine, and thanks to it, you can extend its lifespan. You will need 50 grams or 2 ounces hydrogen peroxide, 3 tablespoons baking soda, 3 tablespoons laundry soap. Procedure. 1. Mix all the ingredients. 2. Carefully remove the detergent dispenser and apply the prepared mixture to its surface in a thick layer. 3. Let it sit for 15 to 30 minutes, depending on the level of dirt. 4. Then scrub with a sponge and rinse under running water. You can also use the same preparation to clean the washing machine drum. Tip from a washing machine repairman. I got this tip from a friend whose husband has been a washing machine repairman for many years. He's currently retired but still helps anyone in need. Try it, you'll surely be satisfied. The best review is that their washing machine has been working like a charm for over 20 years, no mold, no smell, and no limescale. Give it a try. I do it regularly, about once every 2 to 3 months. Quick removal of limescale from the heating element. If you want to remove limescale deposits, the simplest solution is to use ordinary citric acid. 1. Pour 200 grams or 7 ounces of citric acid into the detergent dispenser. 2. Run a washing program at 60 degrees. This is a straightforward way to clean the washing machine and get rid of all the limescale from important components inside the machine, especially the drum and heating element. Clean the rubber seal of the washing machine. Mix half a liter of water with 1 tablespoon of citric acid. Dip a cloth into the solution and thoroughly clean the seal from the inside. This will remove dirt, coating, and mold spores. If you try the above cleaning methods, your washing machine will be much cleaner and can function flawlessly for many years. Another cleaning method. My washing machine is about 2 years old, and I often wash at low temperatures. Some time ago, my husband began to notice that his shirts didn't smell as they used to. I didn't pay much attention to it. After all, I'm at home on maternity leave, and I don't focus that much on the scent. But I gradually started to notice the acidic smell from the washing machine, and the laundry didn't smell as it should. A friend recommended her improvement, which she saw on some TV show. Allegedly, the cause of the smell is residues of detergent, impurities, and fat, which do not dissolve at low temperatures, remain inside the washing machine, and cause an unpleasant smell. You can remove them with an ordinary dishwasher tablet. It dissolves grease and deposits excellently, and I've tried it. Here's the process. 1. Simply put 2 dishwasher tablets into the detergent dispenser. 2. Set the cycle to 90 degrees and let it run empty. This worked great for me, and the laundry smells fresh again. I repeat this process at least once every 3 months. Homemade coconut limescale remover. I have been making and using this powder for 10 years. The washing machine runs like clockwork, and I recommended it to friends who had problems with limescale or odor, and it helped. You will need 2 parts washing soda, provides quality water for cleaning the washing machine. 2 parts baking soda, dissolves fats. 2 parts citric acid, increases cleaning effects, acts antibacterially, dissolves limescale, and provides a fresh scent. 1 part non-iodized salt, softens water. Procedure. 1. Mix the ingredients thoroughly and transfer to a sealable container. 2. To clean, use a few tablespoons, about 4 to 5, by putting them in an empty washing machine and setting the cycle to 90 degrees. 3. I also add 1 tablespoon to the drum when washing. It softens the water and cleans the machine with each wash. 4. I also use this agent in the dishwasher.